Ubi Ensaymada. Good morning, everyone. Today is Saturday. It's 8:17 a.m. My plan today is to make some ubi ensaymada. So right now, at this moment, I'm already rising the yeast right here. Add the flour and let it rise for about an hour. To start with, I'm going to use 2 cups of flour. Okay, so put something in here. So this is our yeast mixture. It's a little sticky. It's to wrap. Let this rise. This needs to be in a warm location, in a warm spot of your house. Put it inside the oven right here. So I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna take care of Gabriel since he's up already. I'm gonna clean up as I go and get Gabriel saturated with breakfast. Here we go. Got Gabriel's rice.
Good morning.
See, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
I have some plums.
I have some fun.
So this is my lemon, ginger, turmeric water every morning. It helps cleanse out my gut, detoxify whatever I had food-wise that has chemicals or something like that. We are gonna go. You want some milk? Yes. Pakaon sa ko ni Gabriel, una ta mag-ensaymada. Okay, so we got our ensaymada. I have egg yolks here, and I'm gonna get the flour. Going to put the egg yolk here.
I said the egg yolk. Let's go mix. Yeah.
Then we're gonna put the sugar. Wait lang, sweetie. Wait lang.
Put the sugar. And then mix it.
Okay.
Mix. I like to mix. Oh no! I want to mix.
Okay, go mix. You missed it! You missed it, sweetie! Good job, sweetie. I saw that. Now you're able to climb? Good job, good job. Hey, slide. Very good. That's how you do it. So this is our dough after 6 to 7 hours altogether. About 3 processes. This is a long process, this recipe. However, this is the kind of recipe that it's worth it. And this is actually melt in the mouth ensaymada recipe. This has been rising since this morning because you rice it for 2 hours, and then mix another flour and egg, then you rise it again for another 2 hours, and then mix another last mixture. So this should be perfect. And here we go. This is a 2 recipe that I made. Okay, let's do it. Okay, here's the action. The baker's action. Perfect. Gabriel's taking a nap. He's tired from the playground and the water park. So altogether, this has 6 cups of flour. All of these. And if you want to have the same size of Ensaymada, consistent size and grams, you have to, each one of them needs to be weighed, and that's what I'm going to do. Alright, looks good. This is melt in the mouth Ensaymada. This is very good. This is not my original recipe. However, I have tweaked this recipe before and I lost it from Sweet Ambition. She's a blogger also, which I have been following for many years if I want something. There we go. So as you can see, this is a very soft dough because this is different from the regular Ensaymada recipe. The regular Ensaymada recipe is only just one process. This one has 3 processes in which you can see the effort of doing that. Alright. Neat. Then we're gonna cut this in half. But I have to. This was my business before. Actually, becomes a business. But I stopped when I had Gabriel. Because it's a lot of work. And then most of my orders was 5 dozens only for one person, because it was for the hospital or nursing homes, like that. I knew this is good. This is, when I say it's good, it's very good. This one here. This is a home baking, but you can try this and try it on your very well-known bakery. I'm sure this one will go head to head. This recipe. This is not, as I said, this is not my original recipe. It was her recipe, so it's her credit. Okay. Have to calibrate this. I have here my ubi halaya right here. Glass, it's okay. So this one here, you have to really I wish I have my rolling pin with me. I have 2 rolling pins and none of them easier. Okay, I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of halaya. Generous. Dili po pwede daghanon because mabuto. Okay, just so. And you roll it towards out. Like this. I am making a big one, and then you seal the sides of the dough, and then you curl this just like this. I do not put egg wash on this one because I am going to, see that I wasn't careful in my dough just. Okay. I'm not going to put this in the mold because you really don't have to. Okay. Now I'm going to show you the closer look on how I do it. Half an inch apart. Okay, so one more. Here is our ensaymada. We're gonna put this in the oven. 350. So 15 minutes. All right. Done. Okay, so this is our ensaymada right here. And we're gonna top this with butter and cheese. Topping. This is a little warm. Yeah, it's warm actually. This one is not too bad. So we're gonna glaze this with butter. Glaze with butter like that, and sausaw sachet. Now, this is the typical ensaymada. Just so, nothing more. But this is a special ensaymada, so. Okay, so that's stuffed with sugar, butter, sugar, and we're going to grate some cheddar cheese. Obi ensaymada.